What's up, everyone? How y'all doing today? My name is Arif, and this is Let's Chat, or Content Filler, or Algorithm Appeasement, whichever title you want to call it. Nobody's gonna challenge you here. So, I realized it's 8:20 right now, meaning I gotta get some video out for today, and I didn't have enough time to work on today's video because I actually have an update on the 24-hour streaming setup. Now, if you guys recall from the start of this year, I was talking about putting in a way for me to be able to stream basically all the time. From anywhere in my house, from any computer, I would be able to stream. My first idea, implementation went okay, but we ran into some limitations with some hardware, and the workaround for that was very, very expensive. On the cheapest end, it would have required three 4K 60 frames per second capture cards, which would have ran about $400 a piece Canadian. So $1,200 solution is a solution. I'm not saying it's not, but it's not a feasible solution for, a stream that doesn't generate $1,200 in revenue. There's just no reason to put that kind of technology in. Although down the line, when I have the funds, I probably will put that tech in just to be able to try out my ideas. So instead, I worked with a friend today where if I'm smart, he's a genius kind of level of tiered. He's like a magnitude of like 10,000 smarter than I am. And thanks to him, we implemented some new prototype technology for my stream. We did a very preliminary test and the results looked really, really good. Now I have to dive in and do the actual configurations and learn more about the underlying framework of that technology and see how it works, how it functions, how can I optimize the video feeds from all the different routes. There's a lot of back end I have to do, but he got the implementation put in. Well, I guess that's what implementation means, but he got it put in, we got it tested, we got it working, and soon it's going to be up and running if I can get the time to keep going on it. Right now we're still in quarantine. It's May 8th as of today. So we have time. But unfortunately, when it rains, it pours. And I've been having problems with my current rig, the rig I'm currently talking to you on right now, where the CPU is getting on in years and it's starting to go on. I'm having to look at, new replacements. And unfortunately, as I go to the backup computer where we put the implementation for the new technology in, I heard a clicking sound, but I see my compressor just waving nonstop, and I didn't know what that was. And sure enough, as I diagnose it, my mixer that I use, one of the two mixers I use, it's a daisy chain setup, decided to give up the ghost. It's yeah, that is exactly what I needed today. Now, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade, okay? And sure, I could be salty that this mixer died. And I am salty that this mixer died. But this does afford an opportunity to take apart the mixer. Now, these can be extraordinarily dangerous if you have them plugged in with no case on top, because the power supply, I'm willing to bet dollars to donuts, the power supply is not covered in this. So you can get an electric shock. In fact, there's a very nice label right there that says don't touch this, you'll get an electric shock. But we're going to take this apart. Now, that was going to be today's video. Instead of a Let's Chat, you're going to get that today. But unfortunately, because those kind of videos like this take a lot of time, they can take upwards of 3 to 4 hours just to record. And that's if everything goes pinpoint perfect. Those can still take a long time. Then it's another 5 to 6 hours of editing. So all in, you're looking at a half a day to maybe a full day, full 24 hours of investment in time, because you'll never get everything right on the first shot. Yeah, I'm gonna want to work on this. I think this will be my project for tomorrow. Now, what I might do to kill two birds with one stone is I might live stream this while I take it apart, since I have that technology already put into place at the bar. In my bar, I can stream it off my laptop, so we can do a whole thing there. That's not too hard at all. But yeah, when it rains, it pours. So luckily, this thing is only $70, so that's nice. And I'm kind of shocked that this product died after only 2 years, because I've been using the same brand but a bigger version for the last whoa, 7 years. For the last 7 years, I've been using the same mixer on my main computer, and it's been totally fine. So I'm surprised that this one died the way it did, but that's fine. I will take it apart, and even though I have no actual real fundamental understanding of electronics, we will figure it out by proxy. I'll figure it out, and you'll help me. So there we go. So that is the update on the 24-hour stream, and then just the new developments in my life of hurricane failures. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, if you like this video, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're getting so close to 1,000 subscribers now. We're sitting at 932 as of this video. So thank you so much to all 932 of you. I really love you and appreciate you. And I never ever say the word love. I don't even say it to my own family. So that should really tell you how much I really care about all of you right now. So guys, thanks so much. I've been Arif, and I'll see you all on the next video. Have a good day, guys. Bye.